Okay, let's go. Okay, does this door open? This is this is an abandoned place.
This is the upside down banana.
Oh, there's nothing in there.
What do you see out there? I don't see anything. It looks abandoned and like
old. Look how dirty it is.
Anything suspicious. It's like this place was torn down by some kind of animal just haunting and rotting. Whoa, what was that? Spiral, you see anything?
Oh, I'm gonna put it in my holster. Come on. Whoa, what was that?
Let's go this way. Whoa.
Yeah!
What did you...
Oh, crap!
What is that? I hear something. What is that thing? Take a photo.
Wait, hold up. I'm trying to break through the glass.
Alright, come on, let's go. Spiral. Spiral?
Okay, sorry. Yeah.
Alright, come on.
What happens if
Go in our channel team. Hunt that thing down. Oh. Ugh. Alright. Listen, whoa. Did you see that? Switch this to what is it called? Ooh, ooh. Switch this to lethal. Whoa! Whoa! It's going bad out there. It's not going good. It's not good. Alright. If we can't do it, hey, those people that we hired, they're bad. We got this. Alright, lethal mode activated. Yeah, me too. Whoa. Oh, this air level's too much. We gotta turn back. Agent, come on. Whoa. That's probably because of that. Take this. I got a sample. Alright. Huh. Alright, this is the part where they all died. What is that? Huh. Whoa. Come on. Huh. Whoa. No. Oh!